How to delete repost on TikTok. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and in today's video, I'm going to show you how to delete repost on TikTok. Without further ado, let's get started. Before we head on to the TikTok app itself, let's first visit the App Store or your Play Store if you have an Android, and let's just type in the search bar TikTok. Just click on TikTok. And when that says open, that means that your TikTok is currently up to date. However, if that says update or if it shows an update button, just tap on that so that you will be updating your app and have the latest features within the app, especially this repost feature of TikTok. Once you have made sure that your TikTok is up to date, let's just head on and open TikTok over here. And just for context, reposting a video is basically a quick and painless way to share any video you find with all of your followers. So like other social media platforms, instead of claiming ownership of the content by publishing it on your account, you are simply relaying it to your followers through your account. So of course, when you repost it, your followers will see that you are the one who showed it to them. So to repost a TikTok, you just click on share over here below the bookmark or save button, and click on repost. So for instance, if you have accidentally reposted or changed your mind that you don't want to repost a certain video, what you're going to do is just to click on this comments icon over here, and you should see this section over here that you reposted this video. So what you're going to do is to just press and hold on this certain comment and simply click on remove repost. So it should say over here, your repost has been removed. So that is how you can basically delete repost on TikTok.
So that ends this tutorial. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Feel free to comment any questions you may have as well. So that is all for today, and have a great day.